You've installed Archi Automate. Getting from here to working takes about a minute. This is the hub. Just a status dashboard. It doesn't need to stay open once you're set up. Every CAD tool you run is already bridged. Here's Revit, live and ready. Connect the AI assistant you already use. One click, and Claude is wired straight into your hosts. Tell it what it's allowed to do. Switch what the AI can do to allow changes so it can write inside Revit, and you set the limits. You don't even need the hub open now. Just ask in plain words. Check the daylight on level 2 and put the result on a new plan view as a heat map. It writes the code on the fly, runs the study, and builds the view. Something no fixed plugin could do. Archi Automate. Get started in a minute.